Gamers and tech lovers, it's 2025, and the battle between gaming laptops and gaming desktops is more intense than ever. With all AI-enhanced hardware, laser-fast GPUs, and new form factors, the question still remains, what should you buy? Stick around because in 10 minutes, we'll break it all down for you. From price to performance, to portability, to future-proofing. So you make the right choice for your next purchase. Let's start with performance. In 2025, desktop PC still reigns supreme in raw power. With GPUs like the RTX 5090 or AMD's RX 8900 XT, desktop delivers flawless 4K 144Hz gaming and even puts the limits of 8K in some titles. But laptops, they're catching up. The RTX 5080M, which is similar to mobile graphics cards, now deliver up to 90% of desktop performance, depending on the cooling and power profile. That means you can game at high settings with solid FPS, even at the newest AAA titles. For ultra demanding games, multitasking, and future AI applications, desktop still leads supreme. But gaming laptops aren't far behind, and the gap is closing fast. So make sure you stay up to top with your data when purchasing a laptop or a desktop so it can fit your needs. Here's where gaming laptops shine. Portability. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just moving room to room, a gaming laptop fits your style. They're perfect for students, hybrid workers, and content creators on the go. You can game in a hotel or on campus or in your bed. You can't try that with a desktop at all. But remember, with great portability comes compromise. Laptops will throttle under heavy loads due to thermal constraints and battery life draining during high performance gaming sessions. That's not great. Let's talk value for money. A high-end gaming laptop in 2025 can set you back anywhere from $2,200 to $4,000, and that's a fixed package. What you buy is what you're stuck with. You cannot upgrade. You cannot change what hardware that you're on. You're stuck on whatever you get. So you got to keep that in mind. Meanwhile, a desktop at the same price, you can build something way more powerful, more cooling, more storage, more performance, and more importantly, it's upgradable. So that means you can do whatever you want to it. Over time, desktops gives better long-term value, especially if you plan to upgrade components, while laptops are convenient now, but may cost more later. When it comes to upgrades, desktop wins easily. Once you add more RAM to your system, no problem. Upgrade your new GPU to the new 5090, no problem. Or you want to add some more SSD storage because Call of Duty is almost 200 gigabytes. You can do that with no problems. For gaming laptops, on the other hand, most parts are soldered in. You might be able to swap RAM or storage, but CPUs and GPUs, just forget it. And if something breaks, repairs can be costly and brand dependent. And for tinkers and performance chasers, the desktop is your clear winner because you have full capability to do whatever you want. On your laptop, you're a little more limited. You still have the same controls, but everything on a desktop gives you full control over everything that you do with your system. Let's talk about the future, because in 2025, gaming isn't just about raw power anymore. It's about smart power. AI is now embedded into both gaming laptops and desktops, transforming how they operate behind the scenes. But each platform uses AI in different ways. On the laptop side, it handles dynamic balancing between CPUs and GPUs and battery for optimal performance. It handles adaptive fan control so you can stay cool while gaming and whisper quiet while browsing. Real-time resolution scaling using onboard neutral processors to boost FPS without losing quality. And even intelligent game optimization, where your system configures graphics settings automatically based on your usage patterns. It's like having a digital fine-tuning machine in real time, whether you're launching a new game or hopping into a Zoom call. AI is quietly making decisions to keep you optimized. On desktops, AI is flexing in different areas. Smart clocking algorithms in BIOS or apps like Ryzen Master and Intel XTU, pushing your CPU and GPU safely beyond factory specs. AI-assisted cooling and fan curve tuning, especially when high-end AIOs or custom loops are being used, and deep integration with game engines to offload tasks like ray tracing or AI-based upscaling through massive GPUs with dedicated tensor cores. But here's the real question: which is more future-proof? Desktop still takes the wins by far, because even as AI helps platforms stay efficient, desktop gives you the ability to upgrade your GPU, CPU, RAM, cooling, and more. That means as you game, your gaming gets heavier, the AI workload increases. You're not just stuck, you can evolve. While laptops, incredibly smart, are mostly locked in systems. What you buy is what you have, and while they may survive 3 to 5 years with clever AI optimizations, you'll still hit a wall, especially as the future games start relying more on dedicated AI hardware and real-time solutions. Still not sure? Here's a breakdown to help you choose. If you're choosing a laptop, you want portability, you will want to use the device for work and play. You prefer plug and play for the simplicity of the fact that you can just bring it wherever and you don't plan to upgrade your parts down the line. Meaning, when it comes to getting a new laptop, you're just going to get a new laptop. You don't really care if the hardware is outdated after 1 to 2, 3 years of you having the laptop. If you want to choose a gaming PC, you most likely want peak performance. You also either plan to stream, create content, or multitask heavily. You love upgrading and customizing your builds to give it its own aesthetic, and you don't plan on moving your setup around a lot. You just have it in one simple area. Ask yourself, where do you game the most? How long do your sessions last? That'll point you in the right direction. Gaming in 2035 is incredible. Whether you're rocking a sleek portable laptop or a custom desktop beast, the right choice depends on your needs. Let us know in the comment section what's your setup, laptop or desktop, and what games are you playing right now. Everybody, smash the like button if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more no fluff tech content, and hey, check out our build guide and top laptops of 2025 in the next videos right here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Peace.